Hey team, got a quick one for you today. Are your Propagate extents for Gridlines tools not working in your Revit project? If so, this troubleshoot tutorial lesson is just for you. Let's get into it right now. Here we go. So I have a project open. It doesn't matter what project, but it's got Gridlines, so it's a good start. We got grid lines, we got letters and the Y, we got numbers along the X here. As you can see in this view, this floor plan view, they're nicely laid out. They're not overlapping. This is just the look I want for my grid lines for most of my views. And here's my roof plan view right now. And I want to show the grid lines there as well. However, they're showing differently, right? The letters along the Y are far on the right. I want them matching exactly what I have here in the floor plan level 1. So to match that exactly, typically, as you may know, we use the Propagate Extents tool by selecting one grid line, using the Select All button, whatever your keyboard shortcut is for that. Hopefully you have one. And then go to Propagate Extents. Now right now, this Propagate Extents button is basically like it's not functioning, it's not working. When I click on it, nothing happens. And that's okay. The reason if that happens to you, it happens often, and it's because of the crop view typically. So either there's two things. One is all your grids when you select them could be on a scope box. If they're on a scope box, I would change them to the scope box to none to use this. If it's a large workshare project, then be careful with that. However, it's usually the scope box setting. If it's set to something for your grid lines, then it will affect Propagate Extents, number one. So that's number one. Number two is the crop view. If the crop view is on, a lot of times the Propagate Extents tool will not function. So you have to often, and grid lines are tricky because of the 3D versus 2D. If they're all 3D, sometimes it will go even if the view is cropped. It's it's a weird functionality, but typically by uncropping the view here over in the properties panel, by uncropping the view in both the view that you're taking the grid lines from and the view you're giving them to, that you're setting them up on, both of them have to be uncropped typically. So we're going to uncrop both of these for now temporarily. So this is the view we're going to. And it's now uncropped. And crop region visible should not matter for this, so we can keep that on or off. We'll keep it on. And then we have uncropped both of these, which just means all the elements outside of the crop region are no longer cropped, right? So now when we do this, it should work. Let's try. Let's select one of the grids and then select all grids. You can also filter by grids if you want. Once all grids are selected, we should now be able to hit this Propagate Extents button, which we can. We have that dialog box popping up now. Awesome. And then we're just going to select the roof plan view that we're going to. And this button doesn't really matter for now. We're going to hit OK and see if that changes things. So let's go to the roof plan view now. And it looks like it did work just right. We can see it in real time if you want by selecting here, Propagate Extent, and then we go to this view, and then we go Propagate Extents to this view, just so you can see it in real time here. I guess you can't. Okay. Anyway, and we Propagate Extents in the roof plan view. If you select, I was going to try to show you in real time, but it looks like the roof plan view is not available once you go into that view, which is fine. So we're going to Propagate Extents again to roof plan view, and okay. And as you can see, there's no more overlapping. The grids on the right move to the left, and it looks just like the other view, which is perfect. So you can, when you're in that Propagate Extents dialog box, you can obviously select as many views as you'd like. You just want to make sure that main takeaway is that all views need to be uncropped that you're going to, and the view you're taking from for your Propagate Extents grid lines. Most likely that is the case, and why it's not working for you. Again, it's that or the scope box typically. That's like 99% of the time it's one of those. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, submit them down below. I'll get to them when I can. Thanks guys. Hopefully this is a quick, helpful tutorial for you. Thanks.